In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up eBay coupons to optimize your promotions as a seller. Setting up coupons is a fantastic way to attract new customers, reward repeat buyers, and clear out inventory. Let's get started with how you can easily create these promotional tools on your eBay account. First, you'll want to log into your eBay account and head over to your Seller Hub. If you're not familiar with where to find the Seller Hub, it's a convenient dashboard that provides you with all the tools you need to manage your eBay store. Once you're in the Seller Hub, locate the Marketing tab. That's your next stop. Clicking on this tab will bring up a variety of marketing options available to sellers like you. Within the Marketing section, you'll need to search for and click on Discounts. This is where you'll set the stage for creating your coupon. When you're in the Discounts area, there's an option to Create Discount. Click on it and then select Coupon to start the process. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty details, setting up the coupon itself. To begin with, you'll need to create a coupon code. This is the code buyers will enter at checkout, for example, welcome 10. Try to make it something memorable and relevant to your promotion. Next is the name. This is the internal name for your coupon, like welcome sale, which helps you keep track of different campaigns. You can also add a description if you'd like. Although it's optional, a description can be incredibly handy for keeping everything organized, especially if you plan to run multiple promotions. After that, it's time to choose your discount options. You have several choices here, such as offering a percentage off like 10%, a flat discount amount such as $5, or even the opportunity to set up a buy X, get Y deal, sometimes referred to as BOGO. Think about what aligns best with your goals and your customers' preferences. Choosing between a public or private coupon is the next decision you'll make. A public coupon means anyone can discover and use it, making it suitable for wider reach. Conversely, a private coupon is restricted to those who have the specific link or code, allowing for targeted promotions. Once your coupon is set up, you'll define the discount rules. This can include setting a minimum purchase amount to qualify, which is an optional feature. You'll also decide on the maximum number of redemptions per buyer and, very importantly, set the start and end dates for your promotion. This ensures your coupon only runs for the desired period. Finally, you'll need to select which items the coupon will be applicable to, be it your entire store, specific categories, or individual listings. Once everything is set to your satisfaction, click the Launch Coupon button to make it live. And there you have it, your eBay coupon is ready to start boosting your sales. Adding these promotions can dramatically increase your exposure and customer satisfaction. Happy selling?